to make his way in for Finland. Christian Eriksen in some distress by the look of things.
Well, players knew straight away that was a heavy fall.
Christian Eriksen in stable condition after collapsing during Denmark's Euro 2021 match against Finland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Denmark star Christian Eriksen was reported to be in a stable condition after collapsing during the first half of Denmark's opening Euro 2021 match against Finland. The match was suspended following prolonged effects from the medical staff to resuscitate Eriksen with CPR and the use of a defibrillator after he fell to the ground during a throw-in shortly before the end of the first half. Following the medical emergency involving Denmark's player Christian Eriksen, a crisis meeting has taken place with both teams and match officials, and further information will be communicated at a later time, European football ruling body UEFA said in a statement on their Twitter account. It is further reported that the player was transferred from the field to the hospital and has now been stabilized. UEFA later announced that the match would resume at a later time. Following the request made by players of the teams, UEFA has agreed to restart the match between Denmark and Finland tonight at 8:30, the tweet said. UEFA then said that 5 minutes will be played at the end of the first half, and there will be an additional 5 minutes break following the second half. After he collapsed, Eriksen's Danish teammates formed a wall around him to protect the Inter Milan star from view as he was receiving treatment. Players from both teams as well as fans in the stadium were visibly distressed as Eriksen was being attended to by medics. Eriksen was eventually stretchered off the pitch after several minutes to resuscitate him, and it is unlikely that he will return to the game based on this development. So this is just the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to this news story, as the 29-year-old midfielder currently plays for club football for Inter Milan after 7 years in Tottenham Hotspur in the English Premier League. And this is just what transpired here in this very sad and very unfortunate event to report on Links 007 TV. We're just hoping for the best and we wish him a speedy recovery. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this story. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV News Report.